Today I'm going to be installing the Borla Stinger S-Type dual catback exhaust on our 2014 Ram with the 5.7 liter. The Borla exhaust is a great option if you're looking for a full stainless steel system that's not going to wake the neighbors. I'll give it 2 out of 5 on our loudness meter. The Borla exhaust is going to fit right up to your factory dual exhaust, so I'll be giving it 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter and expect it to take about 2 hours to finish. Just south of $950 is going to be one of the most expensive systems available for your Ram. But with the quality 304 stainless and the ease of the install, I definitely think it's worth the price. If you wanted to save a few bucks, you could go with a slightly cheaper option like a 409 stainless or an aluminized version. Our first step in removing the old exhaust system is to lubricate all of the rubber hangers and clamps. With everything lubricated, we're going to take our 15mm socket, loosen the clamp behind our muffler, and then we're going to remove the exhaust. With both of our clamps now loosened, we're going to remove the tailpipes from behind our muffler. I'm going to be using an exhaust hanger removal tool to remove them from the rubber hangers. And then pull out from the muffler and place out of the way. Take your same 15mm socket and loosen the clamp directly in front of the muffler. The clamp in front of our muffler is now loosened. I'm going to use our exhaust hanger removal tool to remove the 2 hangers holding the muffler in place. I recommend having a pull jack to support the stock muffler to make it easier to remove. Pull off, place your stock muffler out of the way. Now that our stock exhaust is off the truck, this is a great opportunity to compare it to our Borla system. Our stock exhaust is made out of 409 stainless steel, which is why it's starting to show some corrosion and pitting. Compare that to Borla's 304 stainless steel, it's going to naturally resist rust and corrosion throughout its life. It also has mandrel-bent piping throughout to give you free-flowing exhaust gases. It's finished in this unpolished finish, something you don't see on every system, and that leads up to the mirror-like polished finished 5-inch exhaust tips. And because it's 304 stainless, it's going to keep that polished finish for life, unlike our stock system. With the stock exhaust out of the truck, slide your clamp onto the inlet of your muffler, and then we're going to hang it up with the stock rubber hangers. With your Borla muffler in place, start with the right side tailpipe, place your clamp over your pipe, and then we're going to hang it on to the rubber hanger. Up into your hanger. With the pipe in the hanger, place it onto your muffler. You could slide your clamp over, but do not tighten till the end. Now we're going to move to the driver's side over axle pipe. You're going to slide your clamp onto your pipe and then attach it to the muffler. With the over axle pipe installed, place your clamp over the tailpipe on your exhaust, and then we're going to hang it up onto our stock rubber hanger and then attach it to our over axle pipe. Slide it into your hanger and push it. And slide your clamp. After our exhaust is in the truck, we're now going to check for fitment and then tighten all of our clamps along the length of the exhaust. That wraps up my review and install of the Borla Stinger S-Type dual catback exhaust. You can check this out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.